Let me show you how to best use this Google Ads optimization checklist. Now, I've had to put a note in here because I'm just giving you view only access. So if you want to be able to make edits, which I strongly recommend, you need to go to File and make a copy. That will then allow you to make your own edits to this optimization checklist. Now, the way that we've also designed this is, as you can see through the bottom here, you can see that we've got tabs for each type of campaign. So search, shopping, performance max, display, demand gen, and video. You will notice in some of these areas, so let's just say, for example, for the performance max, if you've got a product feed, you can click on this and this will take you back to the parts of where you need to go through and review your product feed. The other important thing of this checklist is that it shows you the frequency of how often you need to complete each task. One of the biggest things in Google Ads is that it is very, very easy to over optimize Google Ads account. So one of the things, especially when it comes to things like your bidding strategies, is that you do not want to be changing these or even reviewing these every week. You want to be doing these on a 3 monthly basis, a 90-day basis. The other thing that I have done in here, if you've done my full course, I would have gone through and explained the full stab method to you. And this is the 4 options that you've got for optimization through spending and segmentation, reviewing your targeting, reviewing your ads and landing pages, and then finally reviewing your bidding. And we also do have some quality control checks down the bottom. What I'd also really highly recommend is to use this optimization notes section. Now, when I use this, what I also do is I create copies for each client and for each month. And the benefit in doing that is, especially if you are working in a team environment where you could have other people who want to be able to review your account, or you may have to pass on your account to other members of your team. The benefit of this is that it actually means that if you have to hand over an account, so if you've been managing the account for 12 months, you would have 12 months of data on all the different optimizations you have made. What you could also do in through here is make some notes. So for example, if you are reviewing the bidding, you could make a note saying, we checked it on the 10th of October, and then you could add some extra notes. So then that way, when you come through and make a note, so you could say, we updated our target CPA, or we added a smart bidding. You've got a diary of the changes that you have made in this account. So that's the best way that you can go through and use this optimization checklist. And what you'll also see in this module, that we've also broken it down to short videos that will take you through how to complete each individual task.